Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Code and Career. My name is Ankit and I'm working at IBM as a software developer. So I had joined IBM in this year 2025 in the month of March. And this is the IBM t-shirt which I got. And I'll be showing you the things which I got in my joining kit when I had joined IBM. I have made a video on this before but the video's quality is not that good. So I just thought I'll make another one and in this it will be properly shown what all things I got. I will show you what all things I got and yeah, so let's begin. So starting from the laptop, I got a MacBook M4. So this is the laptop which I got from IBM. As I'm a developer, mostly all the developers get IBM, get a MacBook. Then this is an IBM cap which I got. Then this is the charger for my laptop. This is the IBM bag which I got. It's been quite a few months of joining IBM, so it has become a little old. Then I got JBL headphones from IBM. They have IBM written on it here. These are pretty good headphones. They have this mic which reduces the background noise in calls, and the sound quality is also pretty good. Then I got two diaries or notepads basically to write something up. So this also is from IBM and this is also from IBM. And lastly, I got a water bottle which has a classic nice wooden finish, but yeah, it's also become old now a little bit, so its color is going off, but yeah, it also used to look pretty good when it was new. And yeah, and the t-shirt which I showed you in the start of the video which I was wearing, that was one more thing. So yeah, basically you'll get all this when you join IBM. I also have a tag which I have put in another bag for now. So I had gotten this IBM India Software Labs, I like it here, the badge which you can put on your bag. That's all for this video. These are the things which you get, basically a bag, water bottle, a notepad, headphones, and your laptop and a cap. And if you're lucky enough, you'll get a t-shirt as well if you answer some of the questions which they ask during that onboarding session which they keep. So there will be some quiz type of thing. They'll show you a PPT and then they'll ask you some questions, and then if you're able to answer it, you get extra goodies for that. So my extra goodie was I think this one. This is the one extra goodie, and that badge which I showed you, that one, and my t-shirt which I'm wearing. Let me switch back to my front camera and show you the t-shirt once more. So this is the t-shirt, navy blue, dark blue in color, and it has IBM written on it. And here you can see it has IBM developer written on it, basically developer.ibm.com. Okay guys, that's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more updates on my role here at IBM. If you have any doubts, you can ping me. And yeah, hope you liked this, and thank you for watching.